SCHWIND AMARIS eye tracking constantly proves to be the leading technology in corneal refractive surgery. Prime example is the latest active 7D eye tracking performed by SCHWIND AMARIS 1050 RS. Eye movements can be precisely categorized in dimensions. The first and second dimensions are lateral movements. The third and fourth dimensions are rolling movements caused by a tilting of the head or of the eye. The fifth dimension describes the eye's rotations around the visual axis, the cyclotorsion of the eye. The sixth dimension describes eye movements along the z-axis caused by upward or downward movements of the head or the eye. The seventh dimension is the time factor and has an impact on all other dimensions regarding compensation. Besides usual lateral eye movements, the sophisticated eye tracking system offers numerous performance features, making it gold standard among other eye tracking systems. Simultaneously with pupil detection, the eye tracker also detects the limbus and compensates for the pupil shift under different light conditions. In an unrivaled intelligent way, the eye tracker determines and compensates all rolling movements of the eye. In surgical practice, the cornea rolls along the eyeball's rotational center about 13 mm below the cornea. This causes a displacement between the pupil center and the intended ablation center. The SCHWIND AMARIS eye tracker balances all those eye rolling displacements. Static and dynamic cyclotorsion control by the SCHWIND AMARIS compensates for torsional differences of the eye between upright and supine positions of the patient, as well as torsional movements of the eye during laser treatment. Moreover, eye movements along the z-axis are compensated with active z-tracking. Thus, ablative spots are repositioned to actively compensate for the lateral deviations induced by eye movements along the z-axis. For the first time, the SCHWIND AMARIS 1050 RS includes latency-free tracking. This pioneering seventh dimension ensures that the eye movements during latency time are anticipated in the shot pattern. Based on eye positions monitored at earlier points in time, the eye tracker system performs a motion analysis and calculates for all 6 dimensions where the eye will be at the time of the following pulses. As a result, the scanner is already sent to that position. The information is used to confirm calculated eye positions from the past, and at the same time, this knowledge is used for the positioning of further pulses. This procedure enables a latency-free ablation process and even more safety for the patient. The 7D SCHWIND AMARIS 1050 RS is the only available excimer laser system providing eye tracking in space and time. SCHWIND Eye Tech Solutions.